Hey guys, so we love home stuff on this channel, right? You often ask me about all my house things. So as you guys know, we moved to the US this year and it might not be permanent, so we are renting, and I needed a really quick, convenient, more affordable way to organize my makeup. You know, I would love to have one of the inbuilt systems, but at the moment we're renting, and so I'm really like restricted as to how I can organize my makeup. So I needed to hire someone because I'd tried to do it myself and I failed. I saw my friend Alexa had hired Bailey from the Organized Bungalow, so I contacted Bailey from the Organized Bungalow and hired her myself, and she's been helping me in the past couple of months. So I thought, because on this channel we love home organizing stuff, that I would show you what we did. The room is actually a bedroom. We're in a 3-bedroom apartment, and the bedroom that we chose to be my filming room had really weird, irregular built-in cupboards. There were not enough shelves. There was all this like blank space. It was organized really bad. And you know, there's not much I can do about it because it's not my house. So Bailey had to come in and come up with a solution. She did an amazing job. So I'm gonna share with you some of the clips from that. I'm gonna share with you the before and after, and hope you guys like it. So guys, Bailey is here. This is Bailey from the Organized Bungalow. She's helping me out a lot, and she's just come. It's the third kind of meeting we had. The first one, it was just a meeting. Second one was surveying the room, seeing what we needed, and now she's gone to the Container Store, got a bunch of stuff. So she's got grand plans, and I think, are you gonna get to it today a little bit? Yes, oh my God, it's gonna be so exciting. Cool, so this is the room now. Can't wait to get rid of all that stuff. So this is gonna look a lot less cluttered because all of the containers are gonna match, because they don't match. And then over here, she's gonna be organizing all of these because it is, and we did establish that while this is okay, it's a little bit hard to see everything. So before, all my makeup collection was in these drawers, and now we're gonna be splitting it up between the drawers and this space. So we'll have like kind of complexion in here, right? Pretty much.
Everything's gonna, yes.
Yeah.
Everything's gonna flow and everything's gonna match.
Yes, it's gonna look so satisfying. So don't get too used to this. It's about to change. All right, Bailey, I'm gonna leave you to it. Let me know if you need anything.
Okay.
I'm gonna cook now and have a shower. So yay. Another day at the Container Store with Bailey. We figured out, you know, kind of how much is in my makeup room and what we need. So we've started grabbing a couple more things. All piled in, ready to go. Back at it again with Bailey. She's come back and installed all of these extra shelves. So look how much more space I have, which is great because everything was really cramped. Like, look at my primer bin. So needless to say, we definitely need all this space. We're gonna keep working and yay, Bailey. This looks so good. So we're just gonna finish up here. There's only a few more bins to go. Or did you just finish?
No, I have this row left.
Oh, she has one row left, and then we'll show you what it's all looking like. Yay! Okay guys, so everything is done. Come on in and take a look. The main stuff is here in this cupboard and then over in that corner. I'll show you that in a second. So Bailey got these containers from the Container Store, and it's just the best way. Like, I don't have the ideal setup because we're renting. So basically we've got like all the face stuff here pretty much in clear bins from the Container Store. I did like the drawer ones, but it was kind of like pointless because we've got these here that some of them I can't move. So I had to go and get more, or Bailey went and got more of these and got them cut properly and installed them so that they're all even, because if you remember, some of them were, it was all different, you know? So we had to get new ones, and now it's all even, and we've got plenty of bins for everything. Some of them are a little bit empty, so I have room for my collection to grow. She's got little stickers on everything, you know, with what's inside, like highlighter, illuminator sticks, blush palettes, you know, blush. And it's not as neat as I would like inside, because to be honest, I have too many of some things. So some of the bins are like overcrowded, and some of them, like my liquid blush bin, are kind of empty, but I want them to be organized by category, so that's just how it has to be. So yeah, we've got that. There's illuminators, blushes, bronzers, palettes and stuff down here. Then in here, in these really great bins, also from the Container Store, they're like this. Got all my face halos. And in this, we've got lashes, and these are invisible band lashes, so like more natural ones. And then on this side, we've got like the hefty lashes, like Lily lashes, that have a thick band and are like stacked. Up here we've got powders, then concealers, and we've got these great little smaller bins to like have them categorized within the bins. So these are like full coverage cream concealers. In the back here we've got palettes. These are under eye concealers, and then these are special under eye concealers in pen form. Then we've got the doe foot concealers here, and again these are in little containers. It's a bit annoying the way this is, because this only goes halfway obviously, but then the cupboard goes, like, it's honestly the worst design of a cupboard ever, but again, I can't do anything about it. So foundations here, these are categorized kind of by like brand and type, and then primers up here, and I've got them categorized. These are like regular primers, like long wearing your makeup and whatnot, and then here are radiant primers, and then they're mattifying pore refining primers. Up here in these great spinny things, we have my setting sprays, so I can see them there, move them around, and then on the inside there's like backups of some of my faves. Up the top here in more of these bins, these are just makeup bags. And then if I can bring your attention over here, on this side, brushes. So there is this weird, like, look at this. This part like juts out compared to the rest of it. So it's honestly just so weird. But it worked out well, because here I've just got brushes, and they're in more of the spinny things with containers inside. I've got, you know, one brand brushes here, so Urban Decay in one, Surratt in one, Smith in one, Zoeva in one, and then I've just got face, cheek, eye, random, and then another bin, spongies. Down there's just like cleaning stuff for my brushes, so all the cleaning stuff. Then we've got nails, wigs, which, you know, I told myself I'd start wearing more wigs, and I haven't. They're honestly so much work. Crispy told me she'd like teach me how to use wigs, but we're still getting there. So then in this, I actually use this a lot, and these are my travel makeup bins. So I've got like the teensy weensy little lipsticks, and I've got, you know, full face palettes, which I use for traveling a lot, like this Charlotte Tilbury one. It's got bronzer, blush, highlighter, and eye all in one. So I've got things like that in there, and then little travel foundations, because I do travel a lot and sometimes I don't want to pack too much, so it's good to have like travel sizes of things, travel setting sprays, and I really like it because I get through these faster, so I try to use them when I'm traveling. I've got kind of miscellaneous stuff here, my Ellis Fast and airbrush makeup in that one. That's like body glitter. Then I've got Halloween stuff, my collab products. Then up here is stuff for giveaways. Normally that's a lot more full, right, Seba? But we've been doing a lot of giveaways recently. If you want to win stuff, guys, just I will either tell you in a video if I'm doing a giveaway, or if you are just nice and really active on my Instagram, I often send people makeup. So definitely follow me on Instagram and like and comment things, because it does, like, I do notice, and although I don't announce it all the time, I do send heaps of stuff because I just get too much stuff. Anyway, the back here we've got something I bought from Wayfair, and I bought these old knobs to stick on to make it look nicer. That's where I keep my perfumes. So I've got travel perfumes up there. I do it by color, so there's colorful ones there, then pink and gold. My favorite perfume is Chloe and See by Chloe, which I didn't know that they actually discontinued. It's my favorite. Okay, over here in this little crevice, if you step back, Sebi, you'll see that this part of the room is just for some reason set back like that, so I've got like a little nook, and it was perfect to put my Alex drawers. So I wanted to keep these and use these because I do like them. They are perfect for makeup, and yes, everyone has them, and it is so basic bitch of me to have these, but I am a basic bitch. I've got a denim jacket with black leggings on. It's my life. So up here, she's got like the labels on everything in the lip, so it's kind of hidden, but at the same time really easy for me to see. So I've got mascara, brows, and everything's in their own little container. These are in like pen containers, again from the Container Store, and she just kind of got everything like that. And as you go down, there's eyeliner, and I've got neutrals and then colored eyeliners, neutrals and then colored liquid liners. Then we've got eyeshadow sticks like primers and stuff, again neutral colors. These are liquid eyeshadows, neutral colors. And then we're moving down into palettes now in the deeper bins. We just organize them like this with these palette holders. Pretty sure Container Store again, but they're good because they sit side by side in these drawers. Goes all the way down like that, all the way down. Then over here is this is my least favorite side because it's so messy, but these are my eyeshadow singles. I bought these from Vanity Collection, I think. They're made especially for the drawers, and you slot them in like that. More, it's just eyeshadows, getting down into like those dicky size palettes that are like all awkward and all irregular, and they're honestly so annoying, but that's the only way I could sort of get them done. And I have so many of them. Ugh. And then more eyeshadow palettes. We just got them labeled as mini eyeshadow palettes. And we've got like eye glitter and eye pots. So they're loose ones. And then these are annoyingly sized ones. Like it won't fit in the palette holder, so I've just got them stuck like that. And then these three here are lips, guys. So we've got lip liners at the top. So nudes, reds and oranges, pinks and purples, and then underneath all of those, we just go into the lipsticks. So nude lipsticks, red lipsticks, pink lipsticks. These are just in lipstick holders from Vanity Collection or other random stores. Some of them are too big to sit up, so I've got them in a bin like that. But basically, then we've got crayons, and they have to be organized like that because again, doesn't really fit. These are really good spice racks. I think they're like for drawers in your kitchen. And I just thought, well, Bailey found them and I thought they were great for that. She had a great idea for that. And then that's also how I do my lip liners. It's just easy to see. The nude one's really overcrowded, but it's still kind of easier to see than, you know, a lot of other ways. So I like that. I like how she did that. Then we've got down here like liquid lipsticks as you get into these deeper bins. I bought these great holders from Vanity Collection. They're like a full piece that you assemble and put in here, and you can put your taller lipsticks up the back and then the shorter ones at the front, or you can put like lipstick bullets down there. So I've got that categorized by matte liquid lipsticks and then not matte liquid lipsticks. Then glosses and more glosses and like lip treatments. And it goes like that down with all of them. So these are all the liquid reds, liquid pinks and purples, and it's just like that. So the last thing in the room, swivel around here, I dump all my new stuff. So this is some Laura Mercier stuff. This is the new Shine XO beauty box from Cosmetips. What I do is when I get my makeup, like when I first get a delivery, I will unbox it. All of the boxes and stuff go in that bin there. That's my recycling. And then here, these are large drawers where I just put everything in of my new stuff. So these are bronzers and blushes. Highlighters. God, there's so many highlighters out there. We've got mascara and brow, so I just put everything in here by category. That's eyeliner, eyeshadow, then eye palettes down the bottom. And then when I'm ready to use something or try something new, I just look in here. We've got primers and stuff like that. Then there's foundations and concealers. We've got powders, setting powders. Then lips, and this is always brand new, unboxed, untouched stuff that's not in my collection yet. So yeah, I've just got my Cosmo cover there. This is for when I'm drying brushes. To be fair, I don't clean my brushes as much as I should. So guys, that's it. That is my makeup room and collection. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Huge shout out to Bailey from the Organized Bungalow. She's really great, really efficient, and like good at finding solutions to awkward problems. Like I had the most awkward situation here and she really helped me, so that was great. I'll put all her information below. But yeah, thanks guys for watching and I hope you liked it. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you guys there. Bye.